Children, far, far above the clouds lived some magical cats. They had beautiful, colorful wings that sparkled in the sunlight. These flying cats protected the sky. They kept the clouds soft and the rainbow bright. But one day, oh no, the rainbow began to fade. Its colors were disappearing. Without the rainbow, the children on earth would be so sad. Bluewing Cat said, "We must find the lost colors." Redtail Cat clapped her paws. "Yes, let's go on an adventure." The flying cats split into teams. Bluewing and Goldpaw flew to the ocean clouds. There they found a shiny blue seashell. As soon as they touched it, the rainbow's blue came back. Next, Redtail and Rosy Cat flew to the flower fields. They found a glowing red rose. When they held it, the rainbow's red returned. Meanwhile, Yellow-winged Cat soared high above the mountains. He caught a golden sunbeam. And the rainbow's yellow shone again. But suddenly, oh dear, a big dark storm cloud tries to block their way. The cats didn't give up. They joined together, flapped their colorful wings, and their light grew brighter and brighter until the storm clouds melted away. At last, the rainbow was completed again. Blue, red, yellow, green, purple, and more. On earth, children looked up at the sky and laughed with joy. Flying cats smiled and whispered, "Our job is done. Until the next adventure."